Morning students. In last class we completed the mean from the three methods. In the new class we will study mode of the group data or continuous sequence. Now what is the meaning of mode? I tell you that uh, a data particular is coming in more in quantity is called the mode of the data. Let me explain something. If we take an individual series, if we take, suppose that 20 students we have, and out of 5 they get a mark. They got a mark in any test. They are getting marks out of 5. There are 20 students all. So suppose the marks are 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, and we got a suppose this is a marks and data, rough data, individual data of the marks out of 5 of the 20 students. So what is called a mod of the mod of the data, mod of the individual sequence, mod of the individual sequence. So I tell you that the mod meaning the particular data which comes often in number, maximum coming in number. So definitely one can understand that 3 is coming in more time. Like we have to make the data. This is x, then this is f. So one can understand that 3 is coming, 2 is coming, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 3 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 4 is coming 1, 2 and 3. And definitely 5 is coming 1, 2 and only 2 times. We can understand that only 3 is coming 7 times, which is coming maximum, so that this number is called a mod of the data. So this is only the mod, meaning of mod I taught. This is individual one. And if don't surprise that whatever the column I made, this is nothing but it is a discrete sequence. In these two kind of sequences, we don't have to study at all. We will study only for continuous sequence. Look at. You know that continuous sequence definitely containing some interval and its frequency. So I want to take one question for you students so that you can understand. Suppose I have question first of the exercise 5 to 15. This is age 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 45, 55 and 65. And here it is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So we want to find the mod. I again speak only one thing, that whenever you do any question of the statistics, now go first for the formula. So we want to find the mod. Let me explain something, that the maximum frequency will lead you to get the mod, because frequency meaning that particular item is coming how many times. So I would speak that this 23 is a maximum frequency, but this is not a single number, but it is an interval. One should understand that between them a particular value is our mod, because it is coming maximum time. You know, 35 to 45, this is an interval, and the element between them is coming 23 times. So we want to find actual mod, actual x, which is coming maximum time, which is our mod. Okay, so mod is given by z, and that is given by L1. That's given by L1 plus Fm minus F1 upon 2 Fm minus F1 minus F2. Let me speak something that in your book into H. In your book, the symbol are a bit different. So I don't want to get like what symbol I'm using. You will use the same symbol. I don't want that. If you are practicing with a symbol of the book, you can go through this. I used here Fm. In book it is F1. Here in book it is used F0. It is F again 1. It is F0. It is F2. But I took Fm, F1, F2. So you don't worry about that. You just have to understand what symbol is coming for what. For what? Fm is what? Fm is what? In like that. Okay. So from beginning to ending, whatever we got, the formula, we want definitely to follow that. This formula will lead you to do the work on that. It's that we have not lots of work here, but we will only go through some symbol. Like first it is Fm. What is F1? What is F2? What is H? Instead of H, maybe use I somewhere. No matter at all, H or I both are acceptable. In some book you can get H. In some book you can get I and L1. So okay, for all this, guys, you first find the maximum frequency. Since the maximum frequency is 23, so against 23, this is called, these two are valuable for us. Maximum frequency will lead you to do all the things. So find out the maximum frequency, which is 23. Against it, what we got the interval, this is called model class. Model class is 35 to 45. Now each and everything you can get here. Look at student. This is called lower limit L1. This is called L2. So L1 is equal to 35, which will be coming here. L2 I don't want. Okay, if you're writing L2, no matter at all. And H will be L2 minus L1, gap of the width of the interval, which is definitely 10. So you got L1. L2 is nothing. Whatever that. If you don't want to write that, you can leave it. So L1 equal to 35. H equal to 10. Now we are having some things like Fm. So let me explain something. Fm is called frequency of model class. Now search. This is your model class and this is the frequency of the model class, which is 23. This is a frequency of the model class, which is 23. F1 is what and F2 is what? So let me explain that whatever the frequency of the model class is coming, the previous one is called the F1. So it is called frequency of pre-model class. You understand now? Pre-model class. You understand? This is the model class. This is a preceding model class. And this is the frequency of the preceding model class, which is 21. And this is what? Frequency of the post-model class. Post-model class. What is this? Post meaning letter 1. This is a post-model class. And this frequency is 14. So, if you are not if you're feeling that it is tough to write with the words, you can drop. But you should understand what is F1, this is what is F1, this is what is F2, this is. And this is based on only maximum frequency. Now this is maximum frequency, it is Fm, just preceding F1 and just letter F2. Sometime question may be asked that suppose 23 is here, suppose 23 is here. So I haven't seen ever that 23 or the maximum frequency is in the last or is in the first. I haven't seen ever. But if supposed to come, okay, suppose 23 is here and you're not having any further or post model class, you can take 0 because there is no frequency, there is no interval, so you can take it 0. Okay, so it is very simple. 23 is coming in middle, and the letter and after, before and after, we have two frequencies called F1 and F2. Okay, so everything I've taught here. Now you can put a value only, student. Z equal to L1 is your 35 plus 2 FM. FM is what? this is 23 minus f1 meaning 21 upon 2fm meaning 2 into 23 46 minus f1 meaning 21 and f2 meaning 14 into h meaning 10. So the answer is very simple now. This is a 2. This 2 will be 35 and after subtraction it's 11 into 10. So 35 plus 20 upon 11. Z equal to 35 plus divide approximately. It is a 1.8 approximately and we got a 36.8. You don't surprise that 36.8 is lying between these two and this is called the exact mod of the data. Hope student you got here nothing but worry thing, and the rest questions the same based, so please do them. Nothing change at all. So all the 5 question or 6 question, all the questions same method will be used. Do them and get your answers. Okay. So this is the mod, and further we have a median, but I just want to complete one exercise in one day. That is good enough. You do practice. Please don't ignore it. We have 4 things to study in this chapter. First, mean. We already have studied with the 3 different methods. This is a mod. Further, it will be coming median, and according to median we have Augur graphs. So we will study them. So till here, you please do the practice and be smart that. Thank you.